Next method, procedure to find elimination method. Let us try to learn through example. Question is, solve the equations are 4x minus 3y equal to minus 8 and 2x plus y equal to 6. Solution. First write down the given equations. So, given equations are 4x minus 3y equal to minus 8. Let it be equation 1. Compare with a1x plus b1y equal to c1. a1 going to be 4 and 2x plus y equal to 6. Let it be equation 2. Compare with a2x plus b2y equal to c2. a2 equal to 2. Step 1. Consider the coefficients of one variable x, say a1 and a2. Step 1. Let from the first equation a1 equal to 4 and from the second equation a2 equal to 2. Step 2. Multiply first equation by the coefficient of x of second equation and vice versa. So, we get two equations having same coefficients for one variable. Step 2. First equation multiplied with coefficient of x of second equation, that is 2, gives 4 into 2 8x minus 3 into 2 6y equal to minus 8 into 2 gives minus 16. Let it be equation 3. Similarly, second equation is multiplied by coefficient of x of first equation, that is 4. That implies 4 into 2 going to be 8x plus 4 into y gives 4y equal to 4 into 6 gives 24. Let it be equation 4. Step 3. Now we eliminate the terms having same coefficients either by adding or subtracting the equations. Hence, we obtain the values of one variable. Step 3. Third equation minus fourth equation. Equation 3 and take fourth equation. Do the operation in between them, subtraction. The signs will be changed of the fourth equation, that is, first term becomes minus, second term becomes minus, and the constant becomes minus. First terms 8x minus 8x both are getting cancelled. In second term, minus 6y minus 4y going to be minus 10y equal to constants minus 16 minus 24 going to be minus 40. Here minus are getting cancelled. That implies y equal to 40 by 10, 10th table, here 1 time, here 4 times. Therefore, y equal to 4. Step 4. Substituting the obtained value of the variable in one of given equations, we get the value of the second variable. Step 4. Substitute value of y in equation 2. Equation 2 is 2x plus 4 equal to 6. We substitute y value as 4. That implies 2x equal to 6. Transpose the term 4 to the RHS. It becomes minus 4. That implies 2x equal to 6 minus 4 gives 2. That implies x equal to 2 by 2. Second table, here 1 time. Therefore, x equal to 1. Therefore, the solution of the system of equations are x equal to 1 and y equal to 4.